A different day, right?
Huh?
What have you been up to?
Yeah, same stuff. That shit, I didn't even go out.
New site to go to.
I've been rock climbing. I'm going out to Kentucky climbing.
Name tag off of the thing. I give you a name tag. I know it.
Yeah.
Huh?
I wish it was like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably sounds interesting.
Yeah, nice Arthur Plural.
The more they're inside.
Holy Christ.
Gets the whole fucking thing.
Oh, man.
Yeah, nice, doesn't it? Yeah, that turned out pretty good.
Now it's his fish.
Did you bring that? Big and fat.
Okay, not as nice as here is. It's the only one that I have a long.
Is there any reason?
There's not much to use rattles for me, that's for sure.
I gotta get my camera. I wanna.
There's the only place I can go to collect plants is they're very heavily covered. Although I think this is the best one I found out of that location.
See it.
I like.
All did. No rhyme or reason.
That's purdy. Real purdy.
So it's nice. I don't believe in digital cameras, you know, for vacation and shit. But man, for quick, and you know, just a boop, and then it takes a couple seconds to store it. And this,
Oh, yeah.
You know.
That demo light, too.
oh yeah, no, it's this says. But yeah, I stopped on it. Just talking.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, I go there.
Test this fields. There's a test of produce. I just saw their trunk, in fact, today. No relation either.
You wish you did?
I wish I did.
I figured that must be on Tom's got all the time to go out and pick up.
Whenever I write a check, if I write a check at one of those stores,
Yeah.
you know, and I get a new clerk.
These barnacles.
Push through that plastic.
Excuse me?
Is it plastic?
Oh no, it's no problem.
I can lift it up again.
No, this shoots right through. It's fine.
I don't know what to call it.
One a day. And curry and village.
Yeah.
Just play plants.
Yeah. See, I love the plants.
I do too. It's, but
When you get a pretty.
with my foot. I tap the stand with my foot. It's pretty steady. I'm just going to stay all the way away.
So,
January's when are you? Can I wait till January? Yeah. Pete's sake, look at there. Look at the tone.
We're talking about philosophical discourse.
There you go.
Hey, Bob?
That's Ralph.
Oh, that's Bob over there.
Oh, another Bob.
It's autofocus. Now it's capturing it. It'll hold it for 7 seconds.
I know that.
I got you sticking your tongue out.
I know, it's just the store that ain't Rob on it. Everyone's like, well.
I got you stilled like that. That's a good picture of Rita.
And they're home.
Yeah?
See what's nice? When you can zoom up on it.
It's junk, isn't it?
Yeah.
Some of the other ones. I mean, there's some good stuff in some of these, but it's interesting that those
Don't have what?
labels.